Hey folks, if you made it this far, you're done with the hard part. So this part is actually fairly easy to do. I've just got my assembled cube. That took me a long time to figure out and do. And now we're going to take it apart. But we're going to take it apart in such a way that it's going to be informative for somebody who would be trying to put these pieces together. And this would be how you would do it if you were trying to show some new product you designed or the directions you get from a store on how to assemble a piece of furniture. So on this tab still, I'm still in the same assembly that I did when I finished building this from the last video. Over on the right here, I'm going to click on Exploded Views. I'm going to hit Add Exploded View. So now what I can do is move these away, but it's going to show me a line to where it goes in the end. And I'll show you that here in a minute. I'm going to kind of zoom out so I have some room to move stuff. When I'm moving stuff out, I'm going to kind of set the rule. You just need to make it so that things that you're moving out aren't going through an object. So for example, if I'm moving it that way, that would be a very bad assembly diagram because it would be showing me that to put this piece in place, I have to push it through a solid object, which is not physically possible. So I'm going to move this away in a straight line, and just by clicking on the arrows that show up, it's going to give me those straight lines. And then it's going to create a line to show me how that goes. Whoops. So I'll move that one. I'll just give it a check, and that one will stay there. If I don't hit the green check, it's going to move the next piece that I hit. So after I hit the check, go to my next piece. It can slide out that way. Oops, that's good. That can go out there. That's good. That one, I can move back that way. That's good. And then that one can stay where it is because they don't all need to come together. So that's what I'm looking for. Whoops, did I hit the check? There we go. That's what I'm looking for is going to be a screenshot of this, which is your assembly diagram for, I need to see this, all this stuff here. This is your assembly diagram for your puzzle. So this should be the answer key to solving it. But that's it. And then you are done with the Puzzle Cube project in Onshape.